Hey guys, Andrew here. Welcome back to Joe Tutorial. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to highlight text in your PDF document on Zotero. So log into your Zotero account. I'm currently using the web app. As you can see here, I'm on Zotero.org and I'm signed in. So now I'm just going to click on the web library here at the top here from those many options, and here I'm going to choose a PDF document, then open the PDF document. On the right hand side you'll find open. So all you have to do, either double click on the document to open it, or you can just click on it and click on the open as you saw on the right hand side. Once the document is open, guys, in order to highlight text, you just want to go ahead and find the text that you want to highlight. So let's say I want to highlight this sentence here. I'm going to go ahead and ensure that I find the highlight option here in the menu options, and this is the first option in the list. You click on it, select the color that you want to highlight it to. So let's go ahead and use, for example, the yellow color as an example, and find the text that you want to highlight and just basically highlight it, right? Once you do that, the text will be highlighted. If you want to highlight a different set of words with different color, be sure to just basically change the color before you highlight it, and then you can highlight the text in that color that you want. So, and that's it, guys. It's very easy and very simple. That's how to go ahead and highlight text in Zotero on your PDF document. Very easy and very simple.